Hey, this is Jeremiah from the Bigfoot Society podcast, and I have an unboxing to do. So, you see right here, I've got Cryptid Crate sent me. They're going to send me a few crates to unbox. So this is the November Cryptid Crate. If you don't know what Cryptid Crate is, it is a subscription that you can sign up for. Every month, you get a crate or package sent to you that has cryptid themed items in it. It's a super good deal. You get some really cool stuff. So I can't wait to see what's in this month's. But if you, there'll be a link in the notes for this, and you can use that to sign up. And then if you use uh, code Bigfoot Society, BIGFOOT all caps, get 10% off the cost of your first month of a new subscription. So really cool. Thanks to Cryptid Crate for hooking me up. And let's see what is let's see what the first month is all about here. So sorry, I'm gonna try to not tear this up. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Kraken duck maple snack stick. I love it, from Mythical Meats. That's pretty cool. Ingredients, not actual Kraken, so don't worry, they didn't actually kill the Kraken, but looks delicious. Awesome. Let's see what this is. Oh, I'm gonna just let's take it all out. All right. Let's see what we got here. Little mythical meats card. Okay. Ooh, I love this. Here it is. The Beast of Bray Road. It's a cool little pennant you can put on your wall. That's pretty cool. I like it. Ooh, okay. Okay. Strange Things in the Woods, a collection of terrifying stories by Steve Stockton. Nice. This is pretty cool. Looks like we got okay, so I knew this looked familiar. So this is from Beyond the Fray Publishing. So Shannon LeGros's publishing company. Very cool. Can't wait to read this. Thank you. We got some more stuff. All right, so okay, and they put a little card that says what's in there. I'm not going to ruin the surprise. Oh, okay. So Icon Cryptid Crate exclusive Dogman Icon coins. Let's check it out. This is cool. I like this. Let's see if I can get this out of the package. This is legit. Got a sweet picture of Dogman there. If you look on the other side, it's got a paw print. Dude, that's cool. I'm a big fan of that. Oh, snap. Okay, Cryptid Crate sticker. Hold that up. Awesome. Spooky, ooky, crypt, Dogman sticker. I love that. And last but not least, oh, this is cool. Check it out. Bray Road shirt. That's pretty cool. So for you guys that are into Wisconsin cryptids, check it out. Beast of Bray Road. All right, let's see what this says. November 2020. Full Cryptid Crate. Let's read it. Beast of Bray Road t-shirt, custom Dogman coin by Icon Coins, Mythical Meats jerky, Beast of Bray Road pennant, Dogman sticker, and Strange Things in the Woods book. Cool. And also a nice note on the other side about how they are changing up the packaging to help save Sasquatch's habitat. I'm a big fan of that on the Bigfoot Society podcast. But thanks thanks for watching. Again, link is in the notes down below about how to sign up. And if you sign up new subscription for Cryptid Crate, you are helping out the support the Bigfoot Society podcast, as it is affiliate link, and we do get a cut for every sign up through that link. So have a good one, guys. If you ever want to send me something in the mail, don't be afraid to DM me on Instagram or email bigfootsociety@gmail.com, or use the contact form on bigfootsocietypodcast.com. Either way, let me know. I'll hook you up with the address to send it to, because I don't have a P.O. box yet. That's coming in the future. But have a good one, guys.